Jim of the DT99Race YouTube channel has completed the Silva challenge. As you may recall, this is the box of stuff I sent him, and here's what he did with it. According to Jim, I didn't just cut up a red line, I cut up 2 red lines. As painful as it was, I hope these turned out okay for a rookie. Leading my Gaslands fleet is the Scout, made from a Matchbox Chevy Blazer highway patrol truck. The first attack vehicle is the Gunner, featuring 2 large caliber machine guns mounted in the engine bays of the Hot Wheels twin mill, with a flamethrower mounted on a 360-degree rotating turret. And he does show that in his photos here. You'll see this in just a second. The rocket launcher was made by grafting the front end of a Hot Wheels 1969 redline Chaparral 2G with a hinged rear section from the Hot Wheels Sol-Aire CX4. The rear wing was replaced with a twin tail from a Maisto WWII B-24 Liberator. I like how that flips up like that. The newest addition to the team is the Commander, made from a Hot Wheels Holland gas, with 2 side-mounted cannons and a top-mounted gamma ray gun. You know, Jim, I think you did a fantastic job with these. You said you hope these turned out okay for a rookie? It looks like you've been doing these things for years. Everyone, I'm sure you really like these too. Be sure and check out his YouTube channel and his Instagram page. Links to those are provided in the description for this video. And everybody, I hope you're having fun with these. I sure am. Everyone stay safe and healthy out there, and catch you in the next one.